There's a lot of myths and misinformation that is going around when it comes to losing body fat. As with fitness, if you want to understand it better, you got to understand the science behind it. Today I'm talking about 5 wrong things that people do to lose their body fat. My name is Akash Agarwal and you're watching Akasthetics. This week's questions is asked by Jaskaran433. This is his Instagram handle and he's asking, what is the way to burn chest fat without doing gym? To get your answers, watch the entire video. Number 1 on the list is excessive cardio. Now first we have to understand one thing, that our goal is to lose our body fat, not our muscles. And by running on those treadmills for hours, we are going to lose some amount of our muscles. So what do? Stop running on those treadmills to just burn 200-300 calories and calculate your overall calories and start eating those 300 or 200 calories less. And focus on strength training to keep your muscles. Make sense na? Think about it. Number 2 is cutting dietary fat. Now I also used to be like this guy. तेरे भाई ने घी तेल खाने बिल्कुल बंद कर दिए हैं. Now I'm gonna build my 6-pack abs, bro. Dietary fat is the fat that we eat, the oils, the ghee, and we have to have some fats in our diet. Fat has endless function in our body, from metabolism to absorption of many vitamins and fueling our body for our workouts and many more. When we say fat loss, it's the stored form of fat that we are talking about. Our body stores fat when we eat more than what our body requires. So never cut down fats from your diet. We just have to calculate their calories and plan our diet accordingly. Third one is intentional sweating. Guys, I'm using this word intentional because I see people intentionally turning off fans and air conditioners in the gym while working out, maybe thinking that more sweating means more fat loss. But that's not true. Sweating is just our body's response to regulate its own temperature when it's too hot outside. Similarly, our body shivers to produce some heat when it's too cold outside. These things have no relation with fat loss. Another thing what people do to lose their fat is they start staying hungry. They start depending only on veggies and fruits. Guys, you're not only going to lose your fat but your muscles with it. And you can get really sick doing these kind of diets by fucking up with your metabolism and eventually going to get all the weight back. Stop playing with yourself. You have to give your body the nutrients that it needs. And the last thing that I'm talking about is fat burners. Guys, none of the pill, any kind of shake, green tea or any stuff that you are buying online are going to help you lose weight unless you're not maintaining your diet. Only a proper calorie deficit diet can help you lose weight. I can tell you this 1,000 times if you ask, but if you are not eating less than what your body requires, you are not going to lose weight. Just click on the upper right corner of the screen and check out my video on how to make a diet plan and you are good to go. Stop falling for these things. Just make a proper plan and make it happen. Now coming back to today's question, which was what is the way of burning chest fat without gymming? See guys, there is no such exercise that can burn fat from any specific area. You have to burn your body fat from overall. And I already told you that only maintaining your diet can do that thing. And if you can't go to the gym, you can always try home workouts. Just check other videos on YouTube about home workouts and calisthenics and you can do them in your home and you don't have to go to the gym every time. That's all for this week. Like this video if you found this helpful. Share this video to your friends and family if you think that they need to listen to these points, and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel.